Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Noot token, N-O-O-T. It's another meme token. This one is a penguin. Noot is the name of the token. Noot is the ticker symbol for this token. This token just recently finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They did very well. Very successful pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, it says, this is on PinkSale here, it says Noot is the best meme coin on the BNB chain. Maximum supply, of course, the number is, that is a billion, 420 trillion, 69 billion tokens. Buy tax is 4%, so 2% of that is going to the liquidity pool, and you get 2% reflections. In Noot, I guess, it doesn't say, maybe it'll say on their webpage. Sell tax is 6%, so 3% reflections, 1% LP, 1% team, and 1% marketing. So now that the pre-sale is over, we'll go over some more pre-sale information in a second, but now that the pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token is now available on PancakeSwap. So you can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your Binance Smart Chain for the Noot token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, noot.fun. What a great name for a webpage. Now, you'll have to set slippage to around 4% for buys and around 6% slippage for sells. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 2 full years. So that's a good liquidity lock there. So this was set out to be kind of a small pre-sale. They set the soft cap for this pre-sale at 3 BNB. And they ended up selling 66.76 BNB worth of tokens to 226 different investors for a very successful pre-sale. It says max taxes hard-coded cannot be more than 10%. Trusted team from BNB NFTs. Fair launch. LP locked for 700 days. Initial allocation. Fair launch. Then it goes over the token metrics. We'll do that in 1 second. And it also says there's going to be a central exchange listing. And even the team tokens are locked. And there's some marketing tokens locked and vested as well. So, all sorts of cool stuff here. 18 decimal places on this token. Now, the token metrics pie chart here, the allocation, it says 47.54% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 36.13% of the tokens go to liquidity, 4% of the tokens go to marketing vesting for Noot, which is locked, 5.32% of the tokens go to BNB Community Noot airdrops, 5% locked for central exchanges, and 2% locked for team tokens. So that's their token metrics pie chart here. Now, there's a big warning here. Hold your horses here. I did not check out this quick audit yet. Now, this is bad news, it looks like here. It says, so there's a quick audit on PinkSale. This is super sketchy all of a sudden. Analytics audit. It says they did a quick audit, and there's a big warning on here that says owner can withdraw from user balance. Now, that is a terrible warning. So thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about it. Now, if the user can just withdraw your balance of tokens and maybe maybe other things, I have no idea, that can be extremely sketchy. So take this token with 1,000 grains of salt. I'm going to check out their webpage here. But yeah, so that is extremely sketchy, that this token can withdraw a user balance. Now it has a how to buy section on their webpage, how to use PancakeSwap. It says set slippage 7%. But just think about that for a second. If a token can just, withdraw their tokens back from your balance at any given time, that can be extremely sketchy. So let's check out their socials here. I'm going to see if people are complaining on here. I tried to click on their Twitter, and it just took me right to their webpage again. Or that was Tokenomics I'm clicking on. Okay, join Telegram. So there's even there's a Telegram link here. Okay, so here's a Twitter. Let's try the Twitter here, see what people are saying. So their Twitter is at NootcoinBNB. They just joined in April 2023. It says trusted team. I mean, they claim they're a trusted team, but who knows, right? 3,098 followers. So let's check out the comments here. So hardly any comments that I could see here. Only 3 comments. Anyways, yeah, not very good. Disappointed. I thought this token looked all right at first glance. Then when you get to the audit, big warning. So, yeah, I did see another Noot token as well that had, I think the name of it was Nootnoot, and it was a very similar meme. Could be this token or it could be a different one, but just be aware that this one is sketchy in my opinion. But what do I know? So 47.5% of the tokens go to fair launch. They say a lot of the tokens are locked. Now, there is liquidity lock. I mean, who really cares though if there's liquidity lock, if a user can withdraw, if the dev can take out all their tokens back from your wallet, right? Phase 1 of their roadmap says website complete, community created, pink sale, fair launch, and then list on PancakeSwap. So that's where we're at. Second phase here, post-launch marketing, sweep BNB NFTs and giveaways and events to active holders. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, achieve 1,000 holders. And then third phase to be announced. So they really have no utility whatsoever, just NFTs. So this is as meme as it gets and as sketchy as it gets. So, I mean, I really got nothing else good to say about this token. So let's just wrap this video up then. So take this token with a grain of salt. Thoroughly, extensively, do your own research. I cannot stress enough how much research you have to do. You have to do an insane amount of research, especially when they can withdraw tokens from your balance. All right, leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.